Alright, so I finally got some parts in that I needed. These are the little push pins, push rivets that I broke when I didn't notice them when I took off the under fender. Anyway, so these are the parts that I need right here. So you can see the part number. That's the nut spring. So it's basically those clips, right? It's those clips that I have mentioned. That, and these are the screws that I'm using. That's the part number. And let's see. I can see these. So that's the screw right there. Let's see. Alright. So I think these are stainless screws. I believe they're stainless screws, but I'm not 100% sure. But anyways, so that's what I'm using. This is what I need to put all this stuff together. Right. So I already took 3 screws from the old light. You know, the North American light part. You know, so it has 3, maybe even 4 screws. Anyways, so got that. I would screw those on. I have the little thingamabob here, the housing, and obviously the little bracket. So got those things on top of the hardware that I just got. I also got some screws here too as well. So these screws are here are from the front turn signals, and they're actually too long to use for the front turn signals. They're also too long for the back signal as well. So the kit comes with this screw shorter for the front, but it doesn't come with this for the back. So I actually had to buy some. So I couldn't find something that's similar to this. So basically, what I got was I got a Allen head instead. You know, this is probably a 4, maybe a 5 millimeter Allen head. And the length you want is, you know, it's 16 millimeters. They also come in 20. Don't get the 20. 20 is too long. 16, but actually I don't think they come in a 16. I think they come in I think this is a 15 or something like that. It's somewhere around there. But I think Honda's one comes in the 16 millimeters. So you could get this in the 16 millimeters, either that or you could cut this down. I didn't want to waste time cutting it down. So I basically just got some Allen heads. Also got some washers too, so I think somewhere. Let me see if I can find my washers. Thought I got some washers. There's my other one. So there's a washer there. I know I got some washers. So another one somewhere. And there it is. So there's my other washer. So those 2, right? Okay. So now we start assembling this here. I actually need to take off these things. So good idea to have the tape because the 2 ends here they pop off of each other pretty easily. So it's kind of a pain in the butt. So they keep on popping apart. So the bracket will, you know, with these mounting holes there, they will go in first. Actually, you know what? I think. Oh yeah, let's do that first. Like so. Actually, you know what? No, hold on a second. I need to get this hardware out because these things need to go in. So I got 5 of them. There should be 5 spots to assemble this rear tail light. You also need 5 of these as well. These screws to assemble it as well. You know, because each one of those screws is for these little spring nut clips. what does Honda call them? Honda calls them spring nut. But it's like a clip too, you know. I guess it's kind of like a spring, but it's actually more a clip than a spring. Right. Yeah. Put these screws down. That's one already. So basically, get all your hardware out. Let's see how difficult it is to put this together. I'm pretty sure there's an order to it. So let's actually put those clips on then. So the clip should be, there's two sides. The sides where this one side was just a hole. The other side is where the screw screws into. The side with the hole should be is the top side, like so. Oops, wrong direction there. Like so. Oops. Got this one as well. So I'm not sure if these two right here and this one, in the from the Euro JDM light, I'm not sure if these clips are proper or not, because these two right here, I know it's proper because it has an actual little in the plastic. There's like a little molding spot for those clips, but these other three, they don't have that little molding spot. So I'm not 100% sure if it is for that spot or not. If it is or isn't, I have no idea. But all I know is that it does work. It fits. So your bracket right here just clips in like so, like this. It slides in here. The bracket should be on the inside of this housing. So, and it should line up with where the two clips are, like so. And this side could line up as well. Actually, I have to actually stick the light on. Oh, you know what? I actually just made a mistake there. So these three don't belong there. I was right. So there's no molding spot for it, so they don't belong there. The thing that belongs here is actually on your actual light itself. So now I can see the molding there. So that's where they belong. So wrong spot there, wrong spot here, wrong spot. These are the proper spots. Okay, now we got the proper spot. Okay, let's put this back on here. Everything's in there. These two holes line up with the clips underneath. This slips in. I assume that it goes in like so, where the wire is. In the middle there, I believe. And I also believe that this center little bracket piece here on the housing will be on top of this clip here, like so. I believe these two line up. Actually, these ones here will go between the metal and the bracket down there, like that. So something like that, I believe. So now we just need to kind of play. Looks like I need to play Tetris a little bit. Actually, I don't even need to put this in yet. I think I could put the clips. I could put this on first before. Oops. No. Yeah, that's right. Before I could put the light in. See, nope. Looks like these plastic ones are on top, not on the bottom. Over here it's on the bottom. That's lined up. This side's lined up. Okay, so these two are lined up. Now I'm gonna stick my tape back on, because the tape helps keep everything in place. Otherwise, it might pop out on you while you're trying to put this together. Put my tape back together, like so. Okay, that way it doesn't pop out on me. Okay, so everything's nice and tight looking. All nice and tight here. I could put this on, but actually I'm not gonna put this on yet because I actually need to put the turn signals on first. So it's like so. But if you do this, you can't put the turn signals on because you need to reach. You need to reach on the inside here. You need to reach on the inside here for these screws here. Let's see. Do I have any tools with me? Shoot, I actually need to grab some tools. All right. So let's look at the turn signals first. There's a right side and left side. I'm not sure which side is which now. I forgot. I think it's been, actually, you know what? The side on the bottom has a screw. So this would be, so this is the bottom here. So that side on the bottom has a screw right here. So that's the right way, like so. Let's feed this through here. I'm not sure if this could feed through or not. Oh, you know what? I need a, nope, that doesn't feed through. So I need to actually take this apart again. Let me take these things apart again. I actually need to take this off too. Dang. So it was like this because with the plastic on there, I couldn't pass the bullets into this hole here where the wire goes. So it goes like so, right? And this where the mounting is. It goes like that. So actually, let's lightly screw this on first. I have no idea how much I need to screw it on. I'm gonna leave it. I'll probably only screw it about halfway in, because I might need the space to clear the plastic for the lights. Okay, that's in there. Hopefully these ones are not too long. I think I got some. I think these are 15 millimeter. These ones are 15 or so millimeters. One side. Okay, other side, both sides. Okay. Now let's take this on. Like so. And be mindful of the cables. Actually, let me stick it this direction. So that way the cables where they're supposed to be. Actually, let me put it like that and put my hand right here so that way they don't move too much, and get out of that slot. You need to keep it inside that slot. So clear my lights. Still not all the way in yet. That side's in, this side's in. Okay, now it's all the way in. Now it's all the way in. The two holes right here are lined up again. The wires are clearing the the holes. Okay. I guess here we need to screw this on. This is where I need my tool. my little let's see, can I put this on? Is it easier to have this on then screw it down, or it's easier without this on? No, it's easy without it on. You screw these down first, then I could put the other half of the plastic on. This thing's not even moving. Jeez, I thought it was moving the whole time. Yeah, maybe it is. No, it's not. Yeah, I need to get my tools. Alright, so I'm gonna make a second video. I need to get my tools. Alright, stay tuned.